Is your Android phone showing it's connected to Wi-Fi but still says no internet? Super frustrating, right? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple methods that can fix this issue fast. So grab your phone and follow along, and let's get your internet working again. Fix 1. Reset your Wi-Fi connection. Alright, first thing first, head over to your Wi-Fi settings, tap on the network you are currently connected to, and hit forget. This removes any saved bugs or glitches that might be messing things up. Now restart your phone. A quick reboot can clear out temporary issues that gives your phone a fresh start. Once your phone's back on, go back to your Wi-Fi settings, select your network, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password, and tap connect. Most of the time this alone fixes the problem, but if you're still seeing that annoying message, don't stress. Fix 2. Set static IP and DNS. Again, go to your Wi-Fi settings, tap on your network again and hit forget. Now reselect to the same network and enter your Wi-Fi password, but this time don't tap connected. Instead, tap on advanced option. Under IP settings, switch from DHCP to static. Now you will see some new fields. In the IP address, you might see something like 192.168.1.128. Just change the last number only, so it becomes 192.168.1.129. Scroll down to DNS2 section and type 8.8.4.4. That's a Google public DNS server. It's fast, secure, and super reliable. Now go ahead and hit connect. Wait a few seconds and boom, your internet should be back.